Alright guys, welcome to the channel. It's part one of taking apart the interior of the S2000 that was left abandoned. So the interior is in horrible condition. We're going to clean it out, vacuum it out. We actually have a guy that's coming to pick up the seats. Then we need to send out the door panels to get refinished, clean out the trunk, and take out the floor mats because we're going to get everything brand new. So let's hop into today's video. Let's start off by removing the door panels. It looks like we have 4 screws in total. 1, 2, one behind right here, and another one over there. All right, so the first door panel is off, but I want to show you guys the tools that we needed to do this at home. So here's a cool toolkit that I bought on Amazon. I'll actually link it in the description below. This comes in handy to have in your garage because you won't damage anything when you're going to be removing clips. So really necessary and good thing to have. I'll link it in the description below. So while the door panel is off, I kind of want to show you what we're aiming at as a final result. So if you come close, you'll see this is a whole leather piece right here. We're going to be doing leather, and we're thinking about doing an Alcantara piece right in here and maybe blue stitching going this way to match the exterior of the paint. But I want you guys to comment down below what you think will look cool on this build right here. All right, so both door panels are removed, but we have an issue with the seats because they are stuck in one position on the rails. Couldn't get the seat to slide forward, so we had to do it a little bit in a getaway by using some gardening tools to let the seat slide. I got the second seat to slide as well, and this is exactly why I wanted to wear gloves, as you guys can see. Nothing good to find in an abandoned car. All right, so the seat is out, and it looks like we have a key over here from a Chevy. So both seats are now removed, and they are right here. So after sitting and talking to Kevin for a little bit, we decided that we're gonna trash these seats. We're gonna get a pre-owned set of AP2 seats, and then I wanna show you guys what we're planning on doing with them. So we're gonna be doing leather, again on the outside of the seat, and Alcantara, and we're thinking the stitching on the outside to be blue to match the car. What do you guys think? I want to ask all my Honda people out there for your advice. We're trying to get some noise reduction in this car, so we're thinking about something underneath the panels on the door, and these carpets, as you guys can see, they're definitely going to go. Some type of underneath liner as well to reduce the noise. Comment down below if you installed those on your Honda S2000.
In order for us to remove the carpets, we're going to remove the center console, side radio panels, door seal, footwear, and rear panel.
My recommendation is that you put all the plastic clips and screws and everything in one Ziploc bag, and then when you're going to be putting the car back together, that'll make life easier. We're done removing the interior carpets, the panels, the seats, the trunk. We cleaned everything up, and we found a lot of wires that were Mickey Mouse. So this car at one point of time in its life had a sound system. Currently it doesn't even have a radio. Some old speakers that we also removed. You can see right here for some isolation for music, for sound. Probably had a subwoofer at one point of time in the trunk. But this is all gonna be going into the trash. And then I wanna show you guys something that we just got in the mail. Let's check out what we got. I haven't seen this in person. I only saw it online. So the 20th anniversary S2000 radio cover. This thing looks awesome. Can't wait to put it all together. All right, guys, it's a wrap for today. Been a very, very long day. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. We'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.